Hello everyone. Today we are learning about our 5 senses. We use our eyes to see. With our eyes we can see colours, shapes, and the people we love. We use our ears to hear. With our ears we can hear music, voices, and sounds all around us. We use our nose to smell. With our nose we can smell flowers, dinner, and fresh air. We use our tongue to taste. With our tongue we can taste sweet, sour, and salty food. We use our hands to touch. With our hands we can feel if things are soft, hard, hot, or cold. Well done! Today we learned about our 5 senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Great learning!